everyone, welcome to day 8 of the 12 days of stickers. Also make sure you check the description for the deal of the day, just in case you wanted to know that. Also, they are all shown in my Facebook group if you want to know, tomorrow's deal or the day after. Just look for the revised December calendar. Here is day 8. Day 8 is the Let's Craft kit, and this is a very hobby-esque kit. So we have your various hobbies and crafts and all this stuff. It's also planner related with your planners and stuff. So this is day 8, and I really like this kit in terms of the color schemes. I did mix and match a few of those in here, as well as your different check boxes and functional stickers. But this is day 8, and I hope you guys love these kits as much as I had fun designing them. And also, if you still want the 12 days of stickers, you can still purchase them through the end of December. Well, technically, probably a little bit couple more days after January, if I'm being honest, because I had to manually bring it down, but I will let you guys know when that is, but for sure through the end of December. So yeah, this is the Let's Craft kit. I will also link everything down in the description if you want to grab all of these kits, but I suggest getting them during the 12 days because they are on sale technically, because if I do release them, they will be normal priced. That is it for day 8. Stay tuned tomorrow for day 7.